Want to sound more natural when you're speaking English? Then you're going to need to know how to give commands while still sounding polite and speaking clearly. Hi, I'm Kat, and I help you speak real everyday English the way natives actually speak. Today, we're talking about the top 10 English commands. Not angry military style, but just normal everyday phrases. Hold on, take your time, or come in. These are all technically commands, but you will hear them every day. You'll learn how to say them naturally and what they actually mean. All right, let's get started. The first one is hold on. This means wait a minute. Hold on, I'm almost ready. That's an example of how you would use it. It just means wait 1 second. The next one is come in. It means enter the room. You would hear it just by itself, come in, or you can come in now. The next one is hang on. This has the same meaning as hold on. It means wait 1 moment, but it's a little softer than hold on. It really communicates a very brief, short second that you need to wait. For example, hang on, I need to grab my phone. This means wait 1 second, I need to get my phone. The next one is go ahead. This means you have permission to start. For example, hi, I have a question. Yeah, go ahead. That means you can start to ask your question now. I'm ready. Go ahead. Begin. The next one is take your time. It means no rush. You can take as much time as you would like. For example, you might hear someone say, oh, it's okay, take your time. There's no hurry, take your time. The next one is watch out. It means be careful, but it is very urgent. It means right now, be careful. For example, watch out, there's a step. If you're walking and there's a sudden little step up, someone might say, watch out, so you need to watch out right then. Look around and be careful. The next one is come on, and this one actually has 3 different meanings. The first one is let's go. Come on, let's go. Come on, get in the car. Means let's go, come with us. Or come on, we're gonna be late. It means come, let's go. The second meaning of this word is seriously. For example, you would hear this with kids. If a kid said, can I have a treat right now? And you said, no, not right now. They might answer, come on, really? Seriously? Come on. It's a little bit of a disappointment or a way of asking if you're serious. The third meaning of this command is used to encourage someone. For example, if someone is playing a sport, you could say, come on, let's go. Like, you're doing such a good job, keep going. It's a way to encourage someone or lift someone up. So remember, there are 3 meanings for the command come on. The first means let's go. The second means seriously. And the third is a way to encourage someone. Our next command is calm down. This command means relax, don't be upset. An example of this is it's okay, calm down. You might hear someone say this, it means just relax, everything's okay, calm down. The next one is let me know. This one is so important. You will hear this in everyday English all the time. It means let me know when you know, or let me know when you decide. An example of where you might hear this is let me know if you can make it to dinner. It means let me know if you can come to dinner. Let me know when you know. Our last one is make yourself at home. It means relax, feel comfortable here. An example of this is if you would welcome someone into your home or in a new environment, you can say, hey, come in, make yourself at home. It means welcome, feel comfortable here, relax. Let's review all of these and say them together. Say them out loud with me if you can. Number 1, hold on. It means wait a second. Number 2, come in. It means you can enter the room. Number 3, hang on a second. Hang on means wait a moment. Number 4, go ahead. It means you have permission to begin. Number 5, take your time. It means no rush, no hurry. Watch out. It means be careful. but remember, it's a little urgent. Number 7, come on. This one has 3 meanings. It means let's go, seriously, or a way to encourage someone. Number 8, calm down. It means relax, don't be upset. Number 9, let me know. It means tell me when you know. And number 10, make yourself at home. It means relax, be comfortable here. That's all of them. Leave in the comments below which of these commands you already know and which one you're planning to use this week. And if you like these natural phrases, check out my playlist on Speaking Like a Native. There you'll find tons of similar videos, and one by one you will improve your English and start to sound more like a native speaker. Thanks for watching. Bye!